I think the rhythm helps you loosen
Yeah,
that
dude.
shit, bro. There you go. Nice. I don't have anything to beat on. Hey folks, we got a 2014 BMW 5 Series. It's pretty much got all the bells and whistles. Ultimate driving machine, as I should say. But it's got one tiny little issue, and then to me, it's actually not an issue. The engine mounts are a little bit worn out, and it's got the shakes, if I could say so. And today, we're gonna see what's going on and fix the situation. So let's get at it.
Kind of feel a little bit, right? Not a big deal, but you can feel it in
For sure.
You can probably feel it in the seat. They're the mounts.
Yeah.
And when we put them on the collapse sides,
Right.
they start vibrating because
Engine mounts are completely shot.
yeah.
Or could you calibrate so that it's much more smoother? No, right?
No,
At this
it's
point,
just,
no.
they're just mechanical.
I see.
So there's no codes, no nothing for that.
Yeah.
That's like a non-intrusive. You just put it in drive and you feel it shift. But if you want to do it with a power brake,
Yeah.
put your e-brake on,
Okay.
put your foot on the brake pedal, and then give it a snap throttle.
Yeah.
Right now, it's like giving me a massage on my back.
It is like a back massage.
The mount is right here
Yeah.
somewhere. And then this mount is between this mount and... Yeah. Another one?
Big bolt.
Damn. Got ourselves a 17 right there.
Dang, the last guy who worked on this is just giving us free parts.
Yeah. He gave up.
I know he did. Yeah, he did.
So
We got another free part right here, man. Dang, that thing was rattling in there while you're driving,
I
bud.
know. What is this car? Boom, loose.
You know what I'm
Take them
saying?
all the way out. It's gonna be too loose to take the other part off. Now I feel like a man again. More like a mannequin. That's what it sounded like.
Yeah, totally.
That's why I like working on cars. The more you touch them, the more you find wrong with them.
Oh yeah, look at that. Held in place.
We just need that so we can take this stuff off. This is a 13, a 12, 13. Let's do 13. There it is.
Wow.
This is the same brand they sell in AutoZone. Yeah, Anchor. It's
I
on
think
the
it is
side
black.
somewhere. Yeah.
That looks like it. Yeah, that's totally it. Go. Refueling. Wow, nice.
Ugly mother.
Put your juice in here like you conquered something and you drink it. This one. So there's 3 alike.
Right.
And then this is for the mount to go to that.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that one first. To hold its place, because it's gonna be the hard part. Where's the other one
All right. Nice. There it is. What a pain in the ass.
Alright, now I'm gonna take a little right.
Yeah, that's it.
Bro, did we put the wrong one on the other side?
But does it matter?
Yeah, it does. This. Yeah. It's too high. This is not the right height.
So,
Unless it'll probably work. I just don't know if we're gonna need more space. See, it's not gonna hit right here. There's not gonna be. You see that cushion?
yeah.
So after some considerable effort, we discovered that they sent us the wrong part, and just like Peter does, he worked his magic and he made the part fit.
Definitely got both engine mounts in. So if you guys are gonna do this yourself, just make sure to get the plan going. Know where the engine mounts are. I think that's kind of the biggest thing. And then make sure you got the right parts, and then you're pretty much good to go. All right. We're able to fix that car right there. I'm just gonna give it a start and see if it actually got everything nice and steady.
You are gonna feel a difference though.
Oh, that's right, like Marky Mark. Feel the vibrations. Come on. Nice.
The AC.
Dude, yeah.
Do you feel any?
No. So yeah, that is definitely a lot more steady than before. You can actually hear that it's a lot less rattly, if that's a word.
Yeah. So like, I remember before you could hear a rattle up here.
Right.
Or like the vibration in the panels.
Right.
And with the AC on, it used to vibrate like crazy.
Right.
So now if we take off the AC,
Oh yeah, it's purring, man.
You don't feel anything.
Yeah, it's like a nice, it's like
And
a
now when
cat.
there's a load on, it feels like there's a load on.
Yeah.
So if I put it in drive,
All right, do your test.
put your e-brake on, we're gonna redo the put in reverse.
Yep.
Or put it in drive first,
Yep.
and then we'll put it in reverse.
Yeah, that's nice, man.
Nice and smooth.
It is smooth, man. It's
Put it in
like
park.
it's like yogurt on velvet.
It's almost like we fixed it.
Yeah. What is that like? Oh, is that just sounds like a bird dying. Can you hear that? It's like an ostrich dying, dude. That's all right. It's just a win, guys. It's just a win. There you go. But we did notice that there was some significant shaking, and that doesn't really give you a trouble code.
No.
You can actually pass smog without that even shown. Love the squealing that's going on up there. This is, I'm not editing this out. This is gonna be in the video, dude.
You can pass the smog?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Once again, we changed the engine mount on this. Peter went that extra mile just to get a nice smooth ride. We're gonna be doing more of these repairs, so check that out in the future. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. I'm not gonna tell you to follow, and subscribe. If you want unlike, defollow, and don't subscribe, you do whatever you want, but we're gonna be doing more of these fixes, so stay tuned. Cool.